Hello, my name's Ted Jones. I'm with MarineMax in Stuart. We are here aboard a brand new 420 LXF Scout. If you've never been on this boat, if you've never driven or experienced this boat, you're missing a lot. You've got to get out and ride this boat, see this boat to believe it. Forward, big comfortable cushion area, and if you notice on the floor, you see the teak, that comes up. That's actually a platform that comes up. It fills in with a cushion so you can have a big sun lounger, or it also comes up as a full table. Very, very unique feature. Makes the boat very comfortable in the front for entertaining, fishing, having fun. Big sun lounger, very comfortable in the front of the console. Boat's equipped with a loaded Garmin electronics package along with FLIR camera for night vision, which is a phenomenal tool if you've never used it. As we make our way back, this boat has a very, very unique cabin. A little difficult to see in the video. Has a table that does remove and drop down. Has an enclosed head in the back and shower. Sink, cooking area. Very comfortable boat. As we work our way back, this particular boat's configured with the 5-seat configuration. So at the helm, you have 3 seats. They convert to bolsters. You can fold them down and make them proper seats. They do have armrests. As we come back, there's 2 more additional seats, and they do the same thing with the bolsters folding up and down. Boat's powered by quad 350 Mercuries. In the back is a folding seat that is in the up position at the moment, but does come down for comfort. Now this is a unique feature because here you have a fishing seat, but underneath it you have massive access for all of the mechanical of the boat, including the Seakeeper gyro. This boat's equipped with outriggers, and when you come to the helm, the real world of this boat, triple Garmin screens, a little difficult to see in the video. The boat's a joystick Mercury boat, and the other thing this boat does have is a bow thruster. Helps to give you a little bit more control of the boat on a super windy, rough day. VHF radio, stereo, incredible sounding stereo. These boats are absolutely amazing to get out and ride on and see. One of the final features on this boat, although it's folded up, Scout does a big platform that folds out from the side of the boat. Fantastic for swimming, for hanging out at the sandbar with the family. Scout 420 LXF. Whether you're fishing or just cruising with the family, having fun, Bahamas, Keys, do it all. Okay, I thank you for your time. My name's Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743.